Today we are going to be doing a Evereve Trendsend Stylist box unboxing. A brief little overview. Trendsend is a service that is provided by the store Evereve, and it is a stylist subscription service similar to Nordstrom Trunk or Stitch Fix or Daily Look or any of those. Now, my last box that I received from them was not a hit, to be honest with you. I always ask for 4 complete outfits. You can go through and fill out a questionnaire and tell them exactly items you're looking for, or a style you're looking to achieve, or a look that you want for a vacation or something coming up. Now, I saw on Instagram a commercial, for lack of a better term, a sponsorship, a promotion, an ad for Evereve Trendsend, and it had a holiday soiree box. And I'll put this over to the side here so you can see a little bit of their ad. And that piqued my interest, and I thought, you know what? I always love a new idea for a good outfit for the holidays, so I'm going to subscribe to this one. Now, when you do this, you are not guaranteed to get the items that they show in their images as a part of the box. It does depend on the store, the stylist, and what they have available to them. Now, I did request to get 4 complete looks for the holiday, so we are going to put them on and I'm going to show you them and you can let me know what you think. Now, I am 48. I'll be 49 January 9th, so coming up very quickly. I am 5'6" and I am about 160 pounds. I hold my weight in through my hips and through my belly area, and I can be a little bit broader in through the shoulders, so I'm always cautious about that. This is a subscription service. As I mentioned, you can get the box as much or as little as you want. You can get it once a year, you can get it once a month. As many times as you would need it, you are able to control that yourself. There is a discount that I can provide to you guys listed down below. If you sign up for this and you give the link to your friend, then you get a discount as well. It's kind of how they incentivize you to, as a normal person, talk about it. I get the advantage of also telling you guys about it, so if you are interested, the link is down below for that discount as well. We're going to jump right into trying all this on together. I am going to start off by also saying Evereve does not provide shoes, so I just picked a pair of nude slingback pumps that I'm going to wear throughout this. Now, let's talk about this. This is a nice look. It's cute. It doesn't scream holiday to me. I think it's more because of the pink. From a brand called Cloth & Stone. I have not heard of them. It's around the $100 price point. It's in a size medium. I definitely could have used a size large. I struggled to get it on. It's cute once it's on, but I'm a little nervous about getting this bad boy off. It has a band at the waist, which actually is really nice with more of these high-waisted things, because a lot of time crop tops don't work on me because I don't want to show my belly, but something like this gives more definition through here and kind of pulls in, but still gives you that little bit of room. It's not as sucked in. I like that if it gets warm, I could pull the sleeves up. I can layer this under a blazer. It does have that same top here, the same elastic portion here. It actually looks beautiful on. I think it's satin. I don't know if I love it or not. It'll depend when I try and take it off. Now onto these pants. This is a pair of good American faux leather pants. They actually are very, very comfortable, but I go, do I need them? Because I have a black pair of faux leather pants. These are longer. I like the look of the length of them on them. I think that actually looks really pretty on, but it's not like a, okay, that's different, that's neat. I had seen that satin pair of pants in the preview they had given. I was thinking something a little bit more like that was different. I feel like a pair of faux leather pants, as comfortable as these are, and they are a size 10, true to size, I just don't think I need them. I love the length of it, but the ones I have can create this same look without having to buy another pair of pants. Next up, this is a sweater from Evereve. It is a cardigan sweater. It is in a size medium again. It actually fits nicely. It's cute. It screams more of their ski box to me than it does holiday. I don't think of this as something I would wear to a holiday party, even if I wore it with a cami or some sort of fun top underneath. It doesn't have pockets. It's over $100. It just does not wow me. I'm not impressed with this. Same pants I'm wearing with this, they had suggested. It looks nice together, but it's not anything that jumps out at me or says, this is holiday or this is different, or I don't know. It it's just mediocre. Next up is the next outfit, and again, I'm a little stumped. Black pants. They're velvet pants. That's a nice little twist. But when I asked for a holiday, doesn't everyone have a just black pant? There's nothing that's wowing me about these. They are from a brand called Level 99. They're very nice. They're in a size 30. They are more of a flare leg than a straight leg. The other pair was more of a straight leg. They remind me of a pair of Spanx pants I have, the Perfect Pair flare leg. I mean, they are very beautiful, beautifully made, very well made, very, very nice. But, I mean, doesn't everybody have some sort of, there's nothing about a black pair of pants that goes, oh, that's holiday. So then this top, and I was like, okay, that makes sense. This kind of screams holiday, you know, this pretty dark burgundy. It has a cute little sleeve. It's by Evereve. It is in a size large, and I'm going to tell you, it feels off. Like, this feels too short. This feels like you can't really tuck it because of the sequins. So what do you do with it? So it kind of hangs and kind of looks frumpy. I don't know. I'm not loving it. I love this part. This sits at a weird spot, but you can't really pull it up past here. So then it looks weird. I don't know if my arms are just crazy long. It's an eyelet hook in the back. It's just nothing that wows me. I'm very underwhelmed with this look. And this is the one I had the most hopes for. Last item is a dress as the full outfit. And this is from a brand called A-Line, I think it was called. It's actually neat. It kind of has this really cool detail. It's a little bit high up under the arms, but that might settle down. I like the shoulder pads to it. That works well on me. It balances well. It actually is very, very, very comfortable. I was worried, I don't have any shapewear on, but I was worried it was gonna make me look hippie. I don't feel like it particularly does. The slit is at an attractive place. It sits nicely. You'd have to be careful with what shapewear you wear because the slit does come up fairly high. So you'd need something a little bit higher, but then you still want something that tucks in here. So that would be interesting to play with. I think it's a very, very, very nice dress. The color does not scream holiday to me. It's kind of a wine-ish color with a little bit of a pink undertone to it. They do have one in a very, very bright pink that is over half off of what this price is, I noticed online. To be honest with you, because I wouldn't wear this for the holidays, if I was interested, I would purchase it in the other color. I just don't know if I would get enough uses out of this. This would be something I could wear to a wedding, would be very nice. Too bad I just had one. I do have one coming up in the spring. Maybe I'll grab the pink one for that. It's very nice. It's very comfortable. Again, it doesn't scream holiday to me or anything crazy. The whole kind of box didn't jump out at me as anything. To be honest with you, the sequin top was 10 times harder to get off than the bright pink one. This is honestly the only thing I'm actually considering keeping, and it's not even something I really want for the holidays. So what did you think? What was your favorite piece, your favorite look? Do you think that what I got was an equivalent to what they put online as a holiday soiree box? I would love to hear your thoughts about that. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you are interested in trying a Trendsend, there is a link down below with a discount for you guys if you are interested. And if you have any questions about any of the items that I put on, tried on, anything like that, please put a comment down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day.